We rarely think of cybersecurity when we list our New Year's resolutions, but having your sensitive data leak may do a lot of damage. So let's look at some good online security practices you should follow in 2020. Don't trust your apps. Be sure to research your apps properly to make sure they are safe. Always check whether they come from reliable developers and legitimate sources. Also, have a look at the privacy section of their terms and conditions to see how they handle your data. Always update your security software. Hackers always find new loopholes to exploit. That's why you should also keep tightening your security to be a step ahead of them. Use a password manager. Weak passwords are like open doors to cybercriminals, so get a password manager. It will memorize and store your passwords in a secure database. You will no longer need to rack your brains to remember one. Try our NordPass for a convenient and safe experience. Stay careful on social media. Social media is a tricky area, so play safe there. Do not expose your sensitive and private data, as you never know where it might end up. Respect others' privacy as well. You could also try using fewer social networks to give out as little data as possible. Use NordVPN. ISPs, government agencies, and other third parties may track your online activity and even interfere with it. The same applies to cybercriminals, especially when you use unsafe public Wi-Fi. VPN encrypts your internet traffic and changes your IP address so nobody can see what you do and where you browse from. Peace of mind makes a great gift, so get NordVPN now for you and your loved ones. Go offline. While sometimes you can't avoid spending time online, be sure to have digital detox moments. Put away your smart devices and go for a walk or meet friends to rest from the online buzz and recharge. Stay alert and up to date. With online threats getting more sophisticated, you should have a basic grasp of what's happening around. Be sure to regularly look through the news in the cybersecurity front. You never know when some new threat might strike you. Stay safe all year long. For more online security tips, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.